So I recently came I have tendonitis in my rotator cuff. I've actually been coming to Manhattan Physical Therapy for almost a decade now. I think it's been 8 years. I've come in for multiple injuries, and I actually found this place through a doctor recommendation, and I have never gone back to the doctor since. I come in here, the team is been the same. They're a family, which makes me feel more comfortable. I think the approach is very different. I was an athlete. I've had a lot of injuries over the course of the last 15, 20 years. And I've never seen an approach like this where they're more hands-on. There's no homework. They really attack the issues and they make you work, and we see success quicker. I've been able to heal my recent injury, I would say, probably about 3 times faster than going into other practices. We're able to get in and get out within about a month. And really, I've been able to get back to my normal workout routines very quickly, which has been amazing, especially as someone who loves to work out. So I can't give enough good reviews for this place. I love it. They're family. I consider them family, and you should definitely check them out.